We all know we're in hurricane season, but in case you didn't do it before, let's talk about one way to prepare your home for electrical grid outages with battery backup. And the person to do that for us, Billy May, who is back with us from May Electric Solar. What's going on, Billy? How you doing?
Not too bad.
So, okay, educate us, if you will. I want to dive in. People make the choice to go solar energy, but they still have to be able to focus on the hurricanes, the power goes out, you want to keep that up and running. What are some options for people? How do you give your customers that assurance?
Battery backup power.
Yeah.
So if you have an existing solar system, it's something that we can add battery to, preferably an Enphase system, but we do have options out there for any system that you may own. But for battery backup options, batteries are the way to go. They have a standard 15-year warranty, and we have a new program that can extend that up to 30 years. In comparison to a generator comes with a 1 and a 5-year warranty, and it can only be extended up to 12 years. So it's a big difference, and the cost perspective is pretty close when everything's considered.
Well, I want to dive actually right back up here. I always think of a generator as how you keep your house going. So you're talking battery backup. You talked about being able to have the cost very similar to the two. When you are able to rest assured and have that warranty, are you seeing people pretty excited about that over perhaps what they've had in the past with a generator backup system?
Yes, absolutely. And the biggest stress relief is not worrying about fuel, whether you're going to the gas station and buying fuel or paying for LP or natural gas for using that backup power source. With the batteries, if you have solar on your roof, it's absolutely free, maintenance free, full monitoring, no surprises, and it has a seamless transfer. So there's no lights out, hope the generator starts up, power comes back on, clunk, clunk, it's seamless. You wouldn't even know that you lost power.
You've said that before too. You don't even know, like your neighbors may be out and you wouldn't even know if you were inside, right?
Right, I actually lost power last night at my house, and
oh, really?
It was a text message, you lost power. I'm like, oh, okay.
Didn't even know.
I just continue to watch TV.
Didn't even know. So do people, because again, I'm kind of learning as I go here, and I said this was going to be kind of an educational side of things because I didn't realize how that worked. I assumed like solar energy, well, you're always good to go. No, you still have to have that backup system in place, right?
Yeah, there's code compliance for the grid interconnection for safety of our linemen. So just solar alone needs to shut off so you don't backfeed your grid. If you have a battery system, it's just like with a generator, there's a transfer switch that prevents the battery or the solar from backfeeding the grid and potentially hurting somebody.
Okay, I'm kind of grasping. This is why I wanted to ask Billy all these good questions here about backup. And I'm assuming you see these calls do spike when it comes to this hurricane season that I don't like to face.
Yeah, yep. Actually, all year since Milton. I think we spoke about we had over 100 systems offline, off grid during Milton. And those customers were the happiest customers in the world then.
Oh, I love hearing that story. And again, I know we just celebrated 20 years for you, and I want to continue that. Congratulations. Even share the information. And as a matter of fact, when people do call, we talked about the warranties, we talked about no subcontractors. It's your team doing the installation, which says a lot. Also a special offer though. Why are you excited about this special offer?
A lot of storms recently, a lot of lightning, and a good way to protect your home is with lightning protection, and using a good quality American-made product is what we offer, and that's something that we're giving away right now with any purchase. And
again, $850 value right there you see on your screen. Can't beat that, MyElectricSolar.com. Billy, thanks for stopping in and making time for us today.
It's good seeing you, thank you.